Hey guys, ever dreamt of having your own YouTube channel but felt overwhelmed by the thought of making videos? Well, say hello to YouTube automation. It's like having a magic wand that helps you create and upload videos without doing everything yourself. Cool, right? Think of it like this. You set up a system where most of the video creation process happens automatically. This means more free time for you to chill, play games, or even start another channel. Plus, with automation, you can upload videos more regularly, which YouTube loves, and your viewers will love you for it too. So how does YouTube automation actually work? Well, it involves using different tools and strategies to automate tasks like video editing, uploading, and even finding cool topics for your content. Basically, it's all about working smarter, not harder. Now, let's talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. AI is like having a super smart robot buddy that can help you with your YouTube channel. Seriously, there are amazing AI tools out there that can practically make videos for you. For instance, imagine typing in a topic like top 10 gaming phones and asking an AI tool like Pictory or in video generates a whole video with cool visuals, music, and even voiceovers. How cool is that? These AI tools can also help you with things like creating subtitles, translating your videos into different languages, and even suggesting trending topics. It's like having your own personal video editing team. So, you're probably wondering how to actually create an automated YouTube video using AI. It's simpler than you think. First, you need to choose the right AI tools for the job. There are tons of options available, each with its own strengths. For example, Lumen 5 is great for creating quick social media videos, while Synthesia is perfect for generating realistic-looking human presenters for your videos. Once you've picked your tools, it's time to get creative. Decide on a catchy topic, write a script, or let the AI do it for you, and gather any images or videos you want to include. Then, simply feed all this information into your chosen AI tool and watch it work its magic. Most tools are super user-friendly, even if you're new to video editing. Section 4. YouTube Automation plus AI equals winning formula? Using AI for YouTube automation comes with a ton of benefits. Firstly, it saves you a massive amount of time and effort. Imagine not having to spend hours editing videos or stressing over creating the perfect intro. AI takes care of all the technical stuff, leaving you free to focus on the fun part, coming up with awesome content ideas. Secondly, AI can help you reach a wider audience. With features like automatic subtitles and translations, your videos can be enjoyed by people all over the world. This means more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more success for your channel. Lastly, using AI can actually make your videos more engaging. AI tools have access to tons of data, which means they know what works and what doesn't when it comes to keeping viewers hooked. From choosing the right music to creating eye-catching visuals, AI can help you take your videos to the next level. Section 5. Challenges you might face. Don't worry, we got you. Now, before you get too excited, it's important to remember that YouTube automation with AI isn't always sunshine and rainbows. There are a few potential challenges you might face. For example, some AI tools can be expensive, especially the ones with more advanced features. It's important to choose tools that fit your budget and your needs. Another challenge is that AI-generated content can sometimes feel a bit, well, robotic. While these tools are getting better all the time, they still might not be able to replicate the human touch perfectly. That's why it's important to add your own personality and flair to your videos, even if you're using AI to help you create them. Lastly, keep in mind that YouTube is constantly updating its algorithm, which means what works today might not work tomorrow. It's essential to stay up to date on the latest trends and best practices for YouTube automation to ensure your channel continues to grow and thrive. Section 6. Ready to become a YouTube star? So, there you have it. A crash course in YouTube automation with AI. It's an exciting new frontier that has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume content online. While there are challenges to overcome, the benefits of using AI for YouTube automation are undeniable. If you're passionate about a topic and you're looking for a way to share your knowledge and creativity with the world, then YouTube automation with AI might be the perfect solution for you. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in, experiment, and who knows, you might just become the next YouTube sensation. Remember, the most important thing is to have fun and be yourself. AI is just a tool, albeit a very powerful one, but it's up to you to use it to create something truly special. Now go out there and make some awesome videos.